Okay, so this is the UPS from the rack, the bottom one. What is this? The Smart UPS RT 1500. And the battery pack has died in it. So I want to replace the battery pack instead of replacing the whole unit, because the whole unit's like $1,600 bucks. And so I've taken it apart because, well, technically the battery pack here should be able to come out of front of the unit. It's unplugged and then you pull it. But this battery pack, it's been in here so long, don't know if you can see, the second, third, and first batteries in there have all swollen up, and these are lead acid batteries. So I was going to replace the whole battery pack, but since they're all swollen up like that, this one, and this one's starting to go a little bit, I can't get it out because of this right here. These batteries are so swollen I can't get it past this metal bar. So that's what I was talking about, the crossbar that I have to cut out. So I have to dig the jigsaw out of the garage. I have a couple metal cutting blades here, and I'm going to have to very delicately hack away at it. So, one of the many stay-at-home projects during this whole COVID-19 thing. Woohoo!